Hello everyone, my name is Anush Sinha and I am with my colleague Akhilesh Yadav. Today we are presenting our project NILM based energy disaggregation algorithm for dairy farm. Our project target agricultural industry, in particularly dairy farm, because the milk production process has the scope of energy optimization. Dairy farm being an energy intensive category of agricultural sector, it has high potential for power grid oriented demand side management. With the emerging market of the smart meter, introducing NILM in this field will take it to the next level. Our main objective are to detect the on and off state of selected electric appliance, which are milk cooling and vacuum pump in our case. Our aim was to develop the robust and reliable algorithm which could generalize well for multiple farm data sets. Active power of individual machine as well as the aggregated load profile was recorded at the sampling rate of 0.5 Hz from multiple farms. In the pre-processing, the normalization technique standardized the input to a network and it accelerated the training in some cases by reducing the number of epochs. The sampling size was selected in such a way that it should include at least one full cycle of a appliance. The data split was 70% 30% for training and validation respectively, and the testing was performed on an unseen farm data. The reshaping is required as the CNN was the first layer and it needs the input in the 3D format. The model proposed will be discussed in the next slide.
Thank you, Anuj. Based on state-of-art DNN architectures, we have developed several models, out of which two best performing models has been discussed in this paper. First model is a multi-layer neural network consisting 1D convolution and bidirectional GRU layer. The convolution helps in extracting the features and bidirectional GRU works with both the past and the future information. Overall, it helps in improving the performance. While the second one is conventional LSTM model, which is a state of art for sequential data type, as it can catch both long-term and short-term dependencies in the sequence. The details of the hyperparameters has been discussed in the paper published. In the results, we can clearly see with F1 score and precision that the 1D convolution BRN model performed better for both milk cooling and vacuum pump. We can also see from model output comparison that 1D convolution VRNN output was very much similar to the normalized power which we gave as an input. Overall, the dairy farm has promising commercial application of NILM. We have got encouraging results, and but these are preliminary results as we are still working on collecting multiple farm data. Currently, with active power as key feature, the 1D CNN BRN model has outperformed the LSTM model. We'll see with more data how it will perform. Overall, that's it. Thank you.